Time to learn how we call Friday in Azerbaijani. In fact, two ways of. Let's start with first. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, you have CÜMÄ or günü, the day of Friday. CÜMÄ. Now, CÜMÄ is, like I said, is Friday. On Friday after work or on Fridays. There it is. CÜMÄ günü işten sonra or CÜMÄ günlərində. Typically, CÜMÄ, as you see, is very short and it tends to be used with the day, literally, gün. That's what it means, day of Friday. That's why you see on Friday after work, CÜMÄ günü işten sonra. I don't recall using it, CÜMÄ işten sonra, someone saying like that. I have seen it always used with that word day. Now, hence you see those translations. İşten sonra, after work. On Fridays, CÜMÄ günlərində, you just make the day as plural, günlər. Now, beşinci gün is the second name for Friday. So, CÜMÄ or beşinci gün literally means the fifth day. Now, let's take a look at sentences. CÜMÄ günü layihəni bitirib, axşam, şəhərin yeni kafesində sakit bir şam yeməyi planlaşdırırıq ki, həftəni rahat bağlayaq. On Friday, CÜMÄ günü, we will finish the project and plan quiet dinner at the city's new cafe so we can wrap up the week peacefully. Let's see. Layihəni bitirib, finish the project. Axşam, in the evening. Now, şəhərin yeni kafesində, well, the reason you see axşam, but technically you don't see translation because dinners are usually in the evening. Now, şəhərin yeni kafesində, city's new cafe, again, a loan word. Bir şam yeməyi planlaşdırırıq ki, şam yeməyi is a dinner, planlaşdırmaq, to plan. Həftəni rahat bağlayaq. Now, rahat, a literal translation is a comfort, comfortable. But here, peacefully fits better. So, we can wrap up the week peacefully. Həftəni rahat bağlayaq. Next sentence. Bu cümə saat 6-da toplantıya gecikməmək üçün işdən biraz tez çıxacağam. Sonra da dostlarımla kinoya gedəcəyəm. Kino is a loan word. Let's see. This Friday, I'll leave work a bit early to avoid late to the 6 o'clock meeting. Avoid being late to the 6 o'clock meeting. Okay. And then I'll go to the cinema with my friends. Let's break it down. It may look a little confusing. Bu cümə, this Friday. Saat 6'da at 6 o'clock, at 6 o'clock. Well, technically, that's what it means. Toplantıya gecikməmək üçün. To avoid being late to the meeting, but then which meeting? 6 o'clock meeting, hence the translation. İşdən biraz tez çıxacağam. I'll leave work a bit early. To avoid being late, gecikməmək üçün. Gecikmək, to be late. Gecikməmək, for not to be late. Okay? Sonra da, and then, dostlarımla, with my friends, kinoya gedəcəyəm. I'll go to the cinema. Cinema, kino. Kinoya, to the cinema. Okay? That was today's word, cümə. 99.9% used with the word günü, the day of cümə. Or, like I told you, the other way of calling the word cümə is beşinci gün, fifth day. That joke is? My to-do list mysteriously retires the moment cümə shows up. Now, I have masterazerbaijani.com where every 10 days I post blogs that will give you more tips on grammatical, historical, cultural uses of the language. I also have Master Azerbaijani app that is available in App Store and Google Store where you'll get to learn foundations and more topics about getting proficient with the language. The module 1, which is the foundations, is completely free. Feel free to check it out, open for any feedback you may have. Otherwise, come back tomorrow so we can learn 2 ways of calling Saturday. I'll see you there. Cheers.